In today's video, I'll show you on how you can use the color painting in Bambu Studio to be able to change your color. The first thing that you want to do is to head over to Bambu Studio. Now, while on your model right here, you simply want to navigate through the project filaments. You want to click on the add one filament option, and of course you can just set your colors the way you want to. So the main color of my model is going to be the blue gray because it's a dragon. And for the second color, let's say that I want to add something like red for the horns right here. Of course, you can add multiple colors if you want to. Just keep clicking the add one filament and then choosing your colors. But in my case, 2 is enough. From there, while still highlighted, you then want to choose the color painting option, which is going to be N. And of course, you then want to choose your filament colors. So I'm going to be choosing the second one, which is gray, which is red. For the tool type, you can adjust this the way you want to, but in my case, I want to manually paint my 3D model, so I'll click on circle. From there, you can just get started painting your model like normally. But of course, if you're trying to paint something like text, it will be much easier if you use something like the fill option right here. So let me just go ahead and finish this up real quick. And basically from there, you are good to go. Once again, you can edit this the way you want to. Of course, you also want to print the back layer right here. But to finally see the changes that you have made, just click on the preview option. And from there, you can then see that we have successfully changed a part of a color here on our 3D model. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.